Hello guys, so this is a video to show you how to you can actually edit videos. So this will be the first video. It will be a series of videos that will be coming. So don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Okay, so for today we'll only do a few things. I'll just show you from these four icons. The first, how to import media, and then how to add music background to your video, and then also how to add text and also transition. For example, if you've got one or if you've got two or more parts of the videos. Okay, so let's start with from the left. Okay, and then we'll go until we go to the transition. Okay, so the first thing that you do now is we import your media. So you can go here and import, click on import, depending now with what you want to import. If you want to import just files or as a folder or from your camera or from your phone, so there are a lot of options that you can choose from here. So let's just import files. Okay, so let me go to my videos and see if I've got videos that I can just use for illustration purposes. Okay, let me see. So okay, let me just see if I have okay, let me see what I can use. Okay, I will take one of my videos that I just shot when I was doing some drawing. Okay, so because I'm avoiding to be sued by some people who have made the video that I would have used. Okay, so let me go here, and then okay, let me just use any video. So I'll go to this one. I'll use these terms videos. So let me just select two of these ones, and then from there now I'll just click on open, and then now they'll be imported. Okay, so now importing the videos that you want to edit is done now. So the next thing now is to take your videos now and put it into where you will be doing the editing. Okay, so you just come here, then you click, you drag to this one. So with this one, with these channels now, this is the first channel for videos, this is for video, this is for text, and this one is for audio, this is for audio. So you can also add, if you want more than two, you can also add. You see that if I add another channel of video like this another channel will pop up like here. So it means now you can add as many as you want. So in the meantime, let's just use two channels for video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you now is cutting. Let's say you want a video maybe up to this part. Okay, let me just delete this. Okay, so maybe you just want half the video. So the first thing that you do is you select the video, and then you drag this video. You drag this now to the middle, or you'll be checking the times now. Say this will be on top here. This is 5 minutes, this is 10 minutes, so maybe you only want up to 10 minutes. What you do is you just drag this to your 10 minutes, and then if you look here, this is a cutting. This is for cutting, this is a cutting too. So you just click on cut. So can you see that the video has been cut? Okay, this one now is another part, this one is another part. So if you want to delete now, you can click the one that you want to delete and you press delete like that. So this is how to cut your video. And then if you made a mistake on deleting, you can just click here to go back to undo what you have done. Okay, and you want to go back now to where you were, you click on this one. So you can redo and undo as you will be doing editing. Okay, so this is the first thing that you looked at. So now the next, as you'll be editing now, you can also check your progress here. When I play now, I'll be able to see. Let me just mute so that I won't have any feedback. Okay, I'll just mute so that I won't have any feedback on my speakers. Okay, so after this now, you can, if you play here now, you'll be able to see what you'll be doing. Okay, so let me just pause this, and then here this will be the time, so you can actually go and see how accurate your cutting was. Okay, so with us now, it wasn't that accurate because it's saying more than 10 minutes. So if you really want to see the exact time, you can come here and make your files bigger. So now you can actually see that your 10 is here, and you can make it bigger as well, so that you'll be able to see the exact time where it will be 10. So If you go like this now, you can see that the 10 is here. Now it is, you can actually pinpoint to say your 10 is here. So it would be much easier for you if you zoom in or zoom out, depending now with what you'll be looking on. Okay, now let's go back to our video. Okay, so we looked at this one, and then now the next thing that I want us to look at is now to add music. So here is an audio track. You can also import. So when you're adding an audio track now, you can come here and you drag, and then you go now to the audio track. So if you can see that once I get to this platform now, automatically it goes to the channel where you can add an audio track. So if I leave it like this now, I'll be able to, I can just leave it like that. And then now if you want to, I can also cut this. I'll just move this pointer to any point way that I want. Maybe I just want the first minute of the song. So I'll be able to just come here and cut like this. Then from there, I can delete this part, or I can delete maybe the front part, depending now with what you'll be wanting. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with this audio. So this is how to add audio. So I'll just delete this so that we'll continue with our other things. Okay, I'll just delete this. All right, so we are done with music. Now we go to, okay, with music now there are a lot of things that you can also do. You can edit the music. So that one I'll include that. I'll do that on the coming videos. But in the meantime, I'll just stick to the basics, so that at least if you know the basics, it will be easier for you now to understand the more advanced things. Okay, now let's go to adding text to our video. So if you want to add text now, you come here and then you click, and then now there is a range of ways that you can actually add text. So if you see these ones with an arrow, these ones you need to download them first. So when you've got an internet connection, you just click on this arrow, and then that thing will be downloaded, or that type of text will be downloaded. So let me just look for one that doesn't have anything, that doesn't need to be downloaded, that's already there. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Okay, let me use I'll just pick even something that is not nice. Okay, I'll pick this one. So you just add. So what you do now is at first you select where you want your text to be. So let me just put it in at the beginning there. Then if I click add, it will come here. So can you see that this is too small? So what you do now at first is you zoom in, and then you drag this now to up to the width. Maybe you want to show the text for the first minute. Then you come in here, and then now you go here and you double click, so that you'll be able to go to the text to here where you can actually edit the text. So let's say I want to change here to say let's say A B C D, A B C D E. So and then I can also change the font here. I can also, so if you let me just drag this here so that you can be able to see. So this is where it is, A B C D. I can also change now the formatting. Okay, so what you can do with this software is endless. You're only limited now with your skills. So can you see that I've changed, and then I can also make it bold. I can make it italics. I can change the color, so I can put maybe this color. So you can do a lot of things, and I can also position it. I can also enlarge it, and I can position it like this. I can put it anywhere that I'll be wanting to put it. So it all depends now with your specification, what you want on your outputs, on your video outputs. Okay, so when you're done now, you just click on OK. Then and then if I play, you just wait for it to come. Now it will come, depending now with which theme that you have used for. So you can see that here it is already there. Okay, so now we are done with text. Now we go to transition. So transition now. Okay, let me just pause this, and then the other thing that you might need to know on our text is that you can actually copy and paste it. So I come here and I copy, and then from there I choose maybe another part. Maybe you want the text to come and disappear, and then after a while it comes back and it disappears, etc. So you can come here as well, then you paste it here, then you drag this again, you paste it here. It all depends with your specifications, what you want your video to be. Because remember, you are the one who is in control, so you are the one that knows if it's for you or it's for your client. Okay, so if I play here, maybe let's just play here. My text is coming. You see here, my text is coming. Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, so this is on text. So make sure you subscribe so that you see the other advanced settings on audio or what you can actually do more on text. I'll be making more videos because this is a series of videos on Windows Filmora. Okay, so just click on subscribe so that you see our future videos. Okay, so now let's go to transition. So for transition now, for you to be able to see transition, I will use this part where we cut we cut here, or let me cut another place. I'll cut my video. Let me drag this, let's say, to this part. So I'll cut it again. So it means now here I can do a transition. Okay, let me show you what a transition is. I'll come here and click on transition. So we've got different kinds of transitions. So okay, let me just choose any. Let me choose this one first. So when you select this one now and then you click on this type of transition that you need, that you want to use, it will come just after. So if I'm to drag here and then I play, you see the transition. So it will be like this. So it means now when you're joining two videos now, it is much nicer. Okay, let me just play it again and then so you can see. Okay, I think, okay, just wait, it's coming. Let me, okay. Okay, so maybe you're changing scenes now from scene one to scene two. We just want to join those two videos from different scenes. So this is what you use. You use transition so that your video will be very attractive and very smooth. Okay, so we've got different types of transitions. We've got loads and loads of them. Okay, let me just show you. You just go down and then you choose what you want. So usually what I advise people is that at first you just go through them all, trying them, and then from there you'll be knowing, say, this one is better than the other. Okay, and this one now, it looks like this. It's not really that nice, but you can use it. So let's see again. Okay, so you can see it's not really that nice. Or let's try this one. Let's try another one. Okay, if I'm to play, okay, so this one looks like this now. So it's not really that nice, but it's better than others. So what you do is you just go through them and see which ones you like, and then maybe you write them down, or you just mark them by their names, or by their names or by their designs. Okay. So let me just see if I can go down and see if there is another one. Okay, maybe this one might be more interesting. And then now let's try it and see how it will look like. Okay, so if I play, you can watch it here. So you can also go to full screen by clicking here, but it won't be clear. Okay, so can you see that here? This one is a bit nicer. Let me play it again. Okay, let's see. I think I went back too much. Or let me exit first, and then I can properly select exactly where I want my video to be. Okay. So when you want to go to full screen now, let me pause first. You just come here on this four arrows there. If you click, it will go to full screen mode. Okay, so let me just go to full screen mode and then I play so that you'll be able to see. So this is another type of transition. So if there are lots and lots of these, so you just choose what you will be needing. Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you is how you can actually merge two videos. So that maybe you want to show two videos at once. Okay, I will delete some of the things that I've done. Okay, I'll delete this, all this text, so that I'll be able to show you more features. Okay, so for me to add another video, I go to media. Remember, we imported two videos. So I will take this video, this one. So I'll drag it and then I'll put it on another channel. Okay, and then now I can resize it. Maybe just want it to be on the corner. Okay, maybe if you are making a video in the sign language interpretation, so you can just put it like on the news there. You can just put this one. Okay, let me just drag it. downwards, maybe at the bottom corner. So if I press play, you see that the both videos will be playing. So this will be playing and the main video will be playing as well. Okay, so this is playing and this is playing. So maybe this is your sign person interpretation. It all depends now with what kind of video you will be working on. Okay, let's go back now to our main video. Then the other thing now is sometimes you'll be both videos will be having sound, so you can actually mute one. Let's say this one, I can just right click and then I go to mute. So if I mute this one now, only the sound from from this video is the one that will be coming as output. And then if I want to do the other way around now, I will just unmute here and mute the other one, and then the sound from this video is the one that will be coming out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe so that you will be able to see our future videos. So this was part one on Windows Filmora. So I'll be posting more videos in the coming days. So click on subscribe and notification bell so that you won't miss any of those videos. Okay, bye for now.